Do not buy the Air Jordan 13 Playoff. The Air Jordan 13 Playoff releases February 18th. Retail is $210. The Lost and Found giveaway is now over. Here is the giveaway winner for the month of January. Shout out to you for winning a free pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. If you guys want me to do another giveaway for another pair of sneakers here on the channel for the month of February, I need you guys to run up those likes on this video. Get this video up to 500 likes. Smash that like button. And make sure you guys subscribe for future free sneaker giveaways. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support on the Lost and Found giveaways. I've given away 3 pairs of Lost and Founds now. It feels great to give back some Lost and Found Jordan 1s and just sneakers in general because you guys love and support me. So I need to do it right back to you guys. Thank you guys so much. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Join the More family. I need to tell you guys about Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game, and then we're gonna get into the Playoff 13s. Don't buy these. We're gonna talk about why. Sneakerheads, Sole Premise has the best sneaker bags in the game. As you guys can see, their bags hold your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. You also have room for your clothes, your laptop, chargers, and a bunch more. All different types of bags. All bags are TSA approved, so you can carry them with you on the airplane, which is awesome. No need to check them in. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. They have the best sneaker bags in the game. Tons of different bags, all different styles, all different colors. I absolutely love my Sole Premise bags. I use them every day. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise and use my promo code Danny Moore at checkout. That'll give you 40% off your entire order. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. These are the best sneaker bags in the game. Be sure you guys check them out. February 18th, retail $210. We're gonna take a look at the Air Jordan 13 Playoff, and then I'm gonna tell you guys why I'm telling you not to buy this sneaker. So let's get into the box. We do have the label right there. This is my personal size. Old school box. Very nice to see. And here they are. The Air Jordan 13 Playoff. 2023. It's good to see them back. It's been over 10 years since we've seen these. It's been since 2011. 2011 was the last release of the Playoff Air Jordan 13, and they're back here in 2023. It's good to see them back. This right here, for me personally, is a must-have. This is a classic. This is an iconic sneaker. Michael Jordan did a lot in the Playoff 13s. If you know, you know. If you do not know, hey, go look up some history. This is a phenomenal sneaker. Great quality. I must say, quality is really nice on the leather. It's soft. The felt, very, very soft. And it's a nice, good put together Air Jordan 13. You do have the hologram. You do have the Jumpman as well with the ring around it. Very, very nice. Jordan there on the tab. On the 2011 pair, I believe they have the Roman numerals on the back of this tab. Here, they do not have anything on the back of the tab of the Jordan there. But very, very clean sneaker. The outsole, very nice. They do have the gray instead of the red like it was on the 2011. This is how it is, I believe, on the OG. Very, very nice. Carbon fiber. These are a must-have for me personally. Retail $210. And I'm going to tell you guys why I suggest not buying the Air Jordan 13 Playoff. There's not going to be resell. There's no resell on this sneaker. Right now, they did a shock drop today. Shock drop happened today. Market's at like $260 right now. It will drop when people get pairs. And we're having the official bigger release on February 18th, the official release date. I'm expecting these to sit, be very easy to get, and not having resell really at all. It's that simple. It is the Playoff 13. It is a classic, iconic sneaker, but it's the 13. 13s get no love. They get no real resale value. Look at the Soulfly collab that dropped last year. Look at a bunch of Jordan 13s. They just don't resell. I'm going to pull out a pair of 13s, and I'm going to show you guys a great example. The Flints, 2020 Flint 13. These are only reselling for around $270, $280. Less than $300, and it's nearly 3 years at this point that these have released. Don't expect resell. at all on the playoff 13s. Expect them to sit. Expect there to not be resell. Easy cop. You'll be able to go in the store and most likely cop a pair. If you want them, get them. I personally am keeping them. They're a must-have. They're classic. They're iconic. It's a good, great quality shoe. Really good put together. I'm happy that they retroed them. It's been a long time, years in the making for me to finally be able to keep a pair, because I have owned the 2011, but back then I wasn't able to keep them. So now, able to keep them. It's a good shoe. I'm happy. This is a piece of history right here. So I'm very happy that they're bringing them back. Like I said, guys, don't buy them if you're expecting resell. Do not expect to make money on the playoff 13s. This right here is a personal pair only. Still buy them if you want them. I want them. I'm one of the people that don't care when it comes to resell on these. I want the sneaker. If you're one of those, it's for you. If you're not one of those, you only want to make money on it, don't buy them. Pass on them. Don't expect profit on the playoff 13s. Paying retail plus tax, you're not making anything. As in fact, you'll probably wind up losing money at that point. So please avoid them at that point. This is a personal pair only. Wear them, enjoy them, and when you wear them, that bottom is gonna get dirty. These are my Nike Off-White Dunks. You guys can see those bottoms are disgusting. I have drip grip sole protectors on the bottom of my Off-White Dunks. So when I peel off this sole protector, this bottom is gonna look brand new. In fact, I think I'm gonna take it off right now and show you guys. So you guys can see, I got the sole protector on there. They're all dirty. I'm gonna peel it off. Take off the drip grip, right off. And you guys can see those bottoms are brand spanking new. Check that out. Brand new. Check that out. That's awesome. Thank you, Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. Make sure you guys cop. Link down below in the description. Use my code Danny10 for 10% off your entire order. No slips, no tears, multiple wears. Now I can go ahead and put a new Drip Grip on the bottom and wear them as I've been doing. And the bottom is going to continue to look brand new. Put Drip Grip on the bottom of your playoff 13s when you wear them. It'll definitely help the outsole and keep them in great condition as you're wearing them. So guys, don't sleep on them. If you want them, don't sleep. If you do not care for these and you're just looking to make money, pass on them. You will not make money. Do not buy the Air Jordan 13 Playoff 2023, but these are fire, straight fire personals. I love these. These are so iconic, classic. I'm so happy they're back. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.